Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, as you can see this photo is highlighted, all we have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, which is right here. And as you can see on the third position, we've got the timer. We've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now the timer is off. This clock icon is highlighted, but we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to set. And as you can see right now, the 10 seconds option is highlighted. What's more, inside the shutter button, we've got the 10, so it means that we've got the timer set. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so the screen flashed, it means that the photo has been taken. So let's check the 3 seconds delay also. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Obviously, after turning off the timer, just by tapping on this icon, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.